To plane is located in the Q menu under operations. You have to box and to plane. Eventually these will all be consolidated into a final option. However, for now, these options will allow you to turn whatever shape you're dealing with into a plane version of itself. So for example, we have this object here. If I go under operations and add a plane, we now have a plane for that bounding area. We could have it here where I can then press Q, bevel it in 2D, add solidification on it, add more bevel on it, mirror it across itself, and just continue on. For example, I could also go under operations and choose to box, which will give me a box exactly the same size as this particular shape, which I can use for all sorts of fun times. So this is something that I've had a lot of fun just trying to come up with creative additional ideas in addition to just turning objects into boxes, turning them into planes. So I do hope that everyone experiments with this and shows us all sorts of interesting ideas on what you come up with.